Now we're gonna go delariva right here. Okay? We're gonna go collar, ankle. My collar grip has to be close to his neck. It's useless if it's right here, okay? I'm gonna be like this. Now, I'm gonna be stepping on Mark's shoulder, and I'm controlling him here. He's gonna push my leg in between his legs, and I'm gonna hook, okay? So the technique that we're gonna do is like a quick get up so we can score the points, and we're gonna take the back. So I'm gonna put my leg, I'm gonna pull him, and I'm gonna rotate my wrist to make Mark look over there, turn his chin, and I'm gonna put his hands on the mat right here, okay? So first, I use my hook, I pull him, turn his chin, push him over there. You see, my foot is literally behind his butt, so he can't come back. Now the detail here, I can keep the collar if I want, but I'm gonna change to the tricep, and the weight's gonna go on the tricep. So now, when I swing and I sit up, my hand is on the tricep, so it's hard for Mark, okay? I can sit up, keeping the weight on there, hug his hip, okay? We're gonna go over a common scenario that happens a lot. The guy is gonna follow me up to his feet. I'm gonna body lock, okay? 1, 2. Now, I'm gonna do the leg weave, okay? I shuffle, my right leg comes in, and I hook Mark's far leg, and I'm sitting on my hip, I'm pinching my hands, and my ear is to his back. Now, he's not gonna do it right now, but if he was to roll over his left shoulder, this one, I would jump and follow him, okay? But let's say he stays here. So I'm gonna push off my back leg now, and I'm gonna take Mark down to take his back over there. I push off, Mark falls, I still have my hook. You see? Now, I'm gonna step on the mat so I can get closer. I shrimp, left arm comes over, seatbelt, now I pull him, and I finish the back take. I can start going for the collar and finishing the choke.